there everyone, welcome to NAS unboxing again, where today I will open this cool looking box and see what we have here inside. Actually I have two boxes to be correct. But before I proceed with it, I want to let you know that today we are having a quick look at the new expansion cards by QNAP, the QM2 2P10G1TA and 2S10G1TA, the M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD interface, this one, and the other one is with the M.2 SATA interface, where you can enjoy greater speed with a 10 gigabit Ethernet and base T. So let's proceed and open the box. So let me see what is inside this one. I'll open it facing the camera. Now let's take a look at the card, as it is shiny metallic card with a small fan on the side here, and beneath it actually you have the slots of putting in the M.2 SSDs, and check which QM2 you are getting actually for what kind of interface, as we have the 2P1 and the 2S1 here for the SSD PCIe NVMe, this one, or SATA interface, the other one, the 2S QM2 card. And you can see from the front side that it has a RJ45 interface and supports multi-gig and base T, where you can easily use the existing cable like Cat6 or directly increase the network speed to 5 gigabit Ethernet. As well as based on the QNAP lab tests, we have seen splendid results by the QM2 2P10G1TAs with a high performance of 270,000 and 200,000 IOPS in random read and write. And with these numbers, you know you have a good performing expansion card. So yeah, this is the card, this is NAS unboxing, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to know more about QNAP products, please visit qnap.com. And I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.